Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I am going to be mixing together all my leftover butters. Look at this. This one is clove infused hair butter. This one is essential oil infused butter. These three. This one is neem butter. Look at this, my neem butter. This one is also clove infused butter. This is clove and rosemary infused butter. This is also neem butter. And then this one is also essential oil infused butter. All right, I'm gonna be mixing everything together. And here is my DIY butter. This is Revolution eyeshadow. Alright everyone, so this box of mystery. This is a box filled with a lot of makeup. If you open this one up, look at this. Yeah, this is so beautiful. It's loaded. All the way from Ultra, liquid primer, dry primer, eyeshadows, blushes. Look at this. This is loaded. It comes in a box and is awesome. I'm just gonna use the lip gloss, the pink lip gloss right here. So you can see all you just have to do is just raise this one up and then just take this out and then slide it back. So tiny and awesome. So very nice. Awesome makeup kit, amazing makeup kit, and it's so loaded. Look at this, everyone. YouTube came to my house, guys. We did it. We got the 100,000 subscribers silver award, guys. I can't believe it. Like, just like yesterday that I started my channel with just 0 subscriber, and then I had 1 subscriber. Guess who that was? That was James, my husband. He was the first subscriber I had on my channel. Today we are at 100,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done this all by myself. In fact, I am so thankful to God, and this is our award, and that is why we are going to be unveiling it together, because without you there will be no Momandprettyimisi. And so, guys, let's go to unveiling this amazing award. YouTube sent me this award like a few days ago. Just felt like waiting until the right time before I unveiled this award. Let's go to unveiling this amazing award. Guys, look at this. First, it comes with a piece that says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know you would definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. Of course, I do remember every of this milestone. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and your numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone for reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share. Of course, I do have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating. Of course, I will keep creating. Keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1 million, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Nell Mohan, YouTube CEO. Thank you, Nell. Thank you for this awesome piece. I love it. And then it comes with a card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. I appreciate this so much. Let's go to unveiling our award. We take off this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! Look at this, everyone. Look at this. This is it. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. I could remember it was starting a YouTube channel was a journey that started out of my passion, out of my passion for things that I love. I just wanted to be creative with my hair and my daughter's hair, and then this burning desire just came up, and I started this YouTube channel with 0 subscriber, and then my husband came in and became the first subscriber on my channel. Can you imagine? I want to dedicate this award first to God Almighty, who makes everything possible, who gives idea to the idealist, who strengthens the feeble knees, who give encouragement to those who are without encouragement. I want to thank him, because without him I won't be here today. Many people started this YouTube channel and along the way they gave up when they were not seeing the result they wanted. So I just want to thank God, because God gave me the strength to pull through. Also, I want to dedicate this award to my darling husband, James. I love you so much. That guy is just so awesome. Thank you for every word of encouragement. There was a time he told me when I was not getting the desired result I wanted on YouTube, and it was like, keep posting. If no one is liking your content, if no one is commenting on your content, if no one is sharing your content, doesn't mean that you're not doing what is right. It's just that a time is coming where everything will just work well. Thank you so much for those words of encouragement, James. They mean so much to me. You're the best husband. You're the best man I can ever have. Thank you so much, because without those words I wouldn't be standing tall. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you. Even most times you edit my video, you upload them for me. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Next, I want to dedicate this award to my pretty daughter, Prettyimisi. She's amazing. She's one amazing daughter. I pray to God to give to me. Before I conceived her, I told God, God, give me a daughter. Give me a daughter out of your own heart. And God gave me Prettyimisi. Prettyimisi, I love you, because we started the channel when she was just 1 year and few months old. And since then, she's been amazing. Whenever I tell her it's time to make your hair, she just goes to a seat and just, you know, take position. She's awesome. She's amazing. She's just beautiful. She's awesome. I love you so much, Missy. And to you all, I want to dedicate this award to my awesome family. Honestly, you are amazing. Without you, my 100th subscriber, without you I would not be here today. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for sharing our content. Thank you for recommending our channels. One of my video, I saw over 1,500 shares. I was like, wow, people are actually sharing my content. And one of my other video that had like the highest views on my channel, I saw about 5,000 shares. I'm like, God, people are actually sharing my content. Thank you so much. You mean so much to me. Thank you so much for loving us. Thank you for sharing our content. Thank you for leaving me comments on my videos, you know, to always respond to. Thank you so much, family. Presented to Mom and Prettyimisi for passing 400,000 subscribers. You all made it possible. I am super grateful to God and you in our lives. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's do more. Let's get to 1 million this year. We can actually do it. Hoping to get more of you, hoping to have you share more of our content. And I've been talking too much. All right, thank you so much. I'm just so super excited. Oh, I want something to